In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hostinger subscription. If you've decided that you no longer need your Hostinger service, or perhaps you're exploring other options, it's important to understand how to properly manage your subscription to avoid any unwanted charges. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger H panel. This is your main control panel where you can manage all aspects of your Hostinger account. To access it, you'll visit the Hostinger website and use your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an option to reset it by following their on-screen prompts. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to either the billing or hosting section. These areas handle everything related to your payments and the services you're subscribed to, so take your time to ensure you're in the right place. If you're not immediately seeing it, try checking the main dashboard menu or search for these sections, as they may be organized differently depending on your specific account settings or recent updates. After you're in the correct section, locate the service or hosting plan that you're aiming to cancel. You should see a list of your active services, and each will typically have a drop-down menu indicated by a small arrow or symbol, sometimes referred to as the drop-down arrow. Click on this arrow next to the service in question to view more options related to that particular subscription. When you see the drop-down options, look for the option that says Disable Auto Renew, or it may sometimes appear as Deactivate Account. Clicking on this option is a crucial step in opting out of the next billing cycle. This setting essentially tells Hostinger that you do not wish to continue the subscription beyond the current term. Once you've made that selection, the system will prompt you to confirm your choice. This generally involves an additional check or confirmation box to ensure you're intentionally disabling the auto-renewal. Hostinger wants to make sure you understand that by confirming this action, you have chosen not to renew the service, and it will continue to be available only until the end of the current billing period. After this term concludes, your service will expire and will no longer automatically renew. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your subscriptions and avoid any unnecessary renewals or charges. It's always a good practice to regularly check your subscriptions in case your needs or preferences change. Remember, you can always reach out to Hostinger support if you encounter any issues or have additional questions. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.